Well, sir, the time is up. We can start our lecture.
Okay, assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everyone doing well. Let's get started our lesson. Let me share my screen. Okay, student, do you have my screen? Mina, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir, we have your screen.
Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let me introduce myself. I am Arif Remal. I am from Bangladesh and I am a WordPress and graphic designer. Actually, I started work for the Afghanistan people from 2021 and I'm still working for them. I have launched some course, basic computer course, graphic design course, WordPress course as well. And I have completed all of this course. And now I have started my new journey with Afghanistan Open University. And this is my first class. I hope everyone will enjoy my class. So this is me. I'm Arif Remal. I am from Bangladesh and I have some experience, like I work for Shostik Reality as graphic designer. I worked next level is sports management as a graphic designer, and I'm also working as a WordPress developer at Perfect Web Solution. And currently, I'm working at Basha as a UI UX designer. Okay, let me show you some of my works. This is my project, WordPress project, website project. This one for one of my Pakistani client. Then this is another project. This is another website project. This is another one. This is for one of my UK client. And I'm still currently I'm also working as a WordPress developer at this company Cool Media Marketing, and I'm still working for this client. And let me show you some of my graphics design. So this is my works for NLSM that I already told you. I worked as a graphic designer at Next Level Sports Management. Some of my works. Don't worry about this. I hope in this course we will cover this poster design. Okay, this is a social media poster design. I have created all of this poster in Adobe Photoshop. Inshallah, we will catch Adobe Photoshop and we will create this type of poster design as well. This is another agency, Perfect Web Solution. This is based in Australia, and I also worked for this agency. There are some of my works. And currently I'm working as a UI UX designer at Bhasha, and this is my works. That's it. Okay, Mina, will you translate my language, so student can understand?
Okay, sir. زموږ استاد چې دی عریف ریمل چې د بنګلادیش هېواد څخه دی د 2020 کال کله چې طالبان افغانستان ته راغلل نو د افغانستان د پرېکړه وکړه چې د افغانستان د خلکو سره کومک وکړي او ځینې کورسونه لکه د کمپیوټر اساسات همدارنګه د ګرافیک ډیزاینونه او ویب ډیولپمنټ په ورډ پریس داسې پروګرامونه کورسونه یې واخیستل او افغانانو ته یې دا کورسونه ارایه کړل تر څو په مکمل ډول سره ټوله یې فری وه او ټولو ورڅخه استفاده وکړله او مکمل یې رسولي دي یعنې پرې ایښي نه دي او دی چې دی خپل فریلانسر څنګه کار کوي او ورډ پریس او ګرافیک ډیزاینونه جوړ کړي دي او خپل ځینې کارونه یې تاسو ته ښکاره کړه چې د اوس فعلا یې ترسره کړي وه تاسو ته د خپل ګرافیک ډیزاینینګ چې د اوس فعلا د بادشاه سره کار کوي کمپنۍ ده هغه ټول خپل کارونه تاسو ته یې وښودل او په راتلونکي به تاسو هم داسې کارونه زده کړئ انشاءالله.
Okay, thank you. So let's talk about our lesson topics, today's topics. In this first class, I will talk about our course module. I hope everyone have my course module, and I will also talk about the basic of Photoshop. I believe that everyone have downloaded the Photoshop software. If you have any issue, you may ask me, not now, later. If you have any issue with Photoshop, downloading issue or anything installing issue, I will fix this after the lesson. Okay, so let's see. So our course is graphic design. So first of all, let's see what is graphic design. So graphic design is a creative process to send your message to the audience. Audience means, let's say you are a owner of a shop, and you need to sell some materials. Let's say you need to sell pen, you need to sell business card and anything else. So in this case you need to design something, you need to design something about your shop. If you design a flyer design, and then if you send all of these people that in this flyer design you may show your shop details, you may show your uh, let me open my Corel so that I can explain it. Okay. So let's say this is your shop. Okay, you have sell lots of things, like maybe would be pen, or would be mobile phone, would be computer, and so on. So you need to sell them, like you need to sell them uh, in a smart way. So for this reason you need to create something else. Let's say you need to create a flyer like this. Then you can list down that in my shop I have sell mobile phone, in my shop I have sell I sell pen, in my shop I sell anything else like that you sell in your shop. So in this case you need to design something else. So this is the main graphic design. Like you need to write down your message, so whenever people will see your flyer, whenever people will see your design, they can easily understand that you are selling something else. So this is the graphic design. Graphic design, there would be some information. This is all about your shop. There would be a attractive design, so people can attract the design, then people can understand uh, that you are selling something else. So in graphic design, there are some example. In graphic design, a business card. I think we have already know about the business card, poster, flyer design. Let me show you business card. For every businessman, you have to know, you need to know about you must have business card as a businessman. In this business card there would be your name, your address, your phone number, your website address, your email address as well. This is all about like business card. Okay, as you can see here. And you must have your logo, company logo. As you can see, company logo, your name and details. So the next one is flyer. So as I already told you, flyer. Flyer design. As you can see in this flyer, this person provide his services. As I already told you, if you like, if you have any shop, if you have anything else, you may create this type of flyer. Then you may just include your services. So whenever people read the flyer, they can easily understand. So there are lots of things like poster. Poster means like Facebook poster. And everything, as you can see, every design created in Adobe Photoshop or Canva. As you can see, let's say you have a company, you need to hire someone else, you may create this type of poster, so that hey know that we are hiring someone else. If you have these requirements, we can hire you. So in this case you may create. Inshallah, we will create this type of flyer in our course. Then website design, this is another part of graphic design sector. Social media graphics, that means whenever you are scrolling Facebook or Instagram, you will see that lots of design. So this is the part of social graphics design. Logo design, as I already told you, logo design, this is most significant for any company, for any startup company. As you can see, if we see this one, this is, we can easily memorize that this is the logo of Pepsi. If we see this sign, we can easily understand that this is a sign of Nike. So in this case, logo is most important. Then ID card design, as you can see, ID card design. I think everyone must have ID card if you're a student. So this is ID card. If you're an employee of company, they will provide you ID card. So we are designing an ID card in Adobe Illustrator, not in Photoshop. And then UI UX, this is another part of graphic design. As you can see, this is the application. Okay, this is the UI of this application. Okay, So we are not going to cover this part in our course because this is quite advanced. And if you are interested, you need to learn about the Figma or Adobe XD, so you can design this type of UI. Okay, UI means, as you can see, whenever you are sign up your Facebook, there is some button like login or sign up. Then whenever you sign up, you will see your post, Facebook feeds, and lots of things. This is the UI of Facebook. So someone else designed the UI of Facebook, then developer convert this design into the application. So same as there. Maybe this is the UI of burger food related UI. So whenever UI UX designer completed this part, then application developer will convert this design uh, into the user activity, like into a application. This is the UI UX and calendar we have already know, and the pen. So this is all about the proper example of graphics design sector. Okay, Mina, can you translate this? Hello, are you there?
I think the explanation was in simple words, no need for translation.
Okay, Mina, are you there? Hello. Okay, should I continue, guys? Should I continue?
Yeah, it was clear.
Okay, thank you. So for this type of design, we need to know some application. So this is the most important application is uh, Adobe Photoshop, then Adobe Illustrator, then Corel Draw. So in this course, we will cover about the Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator, these two software. And in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop, we will cover these topics. We will cover some Photoshop like top bar, okay, then some tools, important tools, so this rectangle mercury tool, lasso tools, quick selection, crop, frame tool, rectangle tool, gradient, blending option, and so on. In the Illustrator, this is actually the Photoshop and Illustrator is quite similar. Okay, so if you understand Photoshop clearly, so you can easily use Adobe Illustrator. This is quite similar. And after learning these tools, we may just do some photo retouching or mockup, banner design, flyer design, poster design. And in Adobe Illustrator, we will also like cover logo design, ID card design, t-shirt design, calendar, voucher, book cover design. So this is our course module for next 3 months. And yeah, that's it. My course overview. And I will share my recorded video in my YouTube channel. You may follow my YouTube channel. You may also follow my LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram as well. So let me open my Adobe Photoshop. Okay. So this is the basic overview of Adobe Photoshop, or you may call this is the UI, user interface of Adobe Photoshop. For my reason, I have do lots of work. That's why you may see lots of things here. But in your case, maybe there would be nothing. So let me explain one by one. Okay. As you can see, whenever you open this, you will see this one. Okay. Let me take a bigger screenshot. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. As you can see, you will see that top area. This is called top menu bar or top bar. Okay. Okay. So this is the top bar. As you can see, this is called top bar. Okay. In the right side, you can minimize this. You can make it smaller. You can close this application. And you will see the most two important option. The first one is new file. Okay. If you want to create new, if you want to do something new, you may just click new file. Then a pop-up will be open. If you want to open your old project, or if you want to open open your picture. You may just click here, then picture will be added, open in this Adobe Photoshop software. So let me click here, new file. Whenever you click new file, maybe I do lots of work, that's why in recent it shows lots of things, lots of design, lots of template. For your case, maybe it would be empty. Okay, guys. Okay. So then saved, if you saved any template, it will be appear here. If you click photo, you will see lots of templates. Like if I click this, then if I click create, it will be created this type of template. Okay. This type of artboard. This is not template, sorry. This type of artboard or blank page. Let me open new. If I click new, if I click here photo, you will see lots of design. This is 2 into 3 inch. Okay. And 300 ppi. We'll see what is ppi later. Then landscape. Then there are lots of like format. If you click here, then if you click here, you will see this is another design, another artboard. So this is the design of your this is the artboard of your design. Like, don't worry about this one, because whenever we are starting our design, I will let you know the size, the proper size for the social media size, for the cover, for the Facebook cover, for the LinkedIn cover. So this is just a ready-made template. Okay, you may use from here, or you may create your own size. Let's say for the post, for the Facebook post or social media post, the size always standard size is 180 pixel and 180 pixel. This is a standard size for the social media like poster, and just make it pixel. And if you convert it inchy, it would be 3.6 inchy. There are lots of things there, millimeter, centimeter. I always prefer you to use pixel. Okay, so it's 1080 and 1080 pixel, and the orientation is portrait, not landscape. Then you may click here create, so your artboard will be created. Let me recap this again. You may just take this, just put this value here. Okay, let's say, as I already told you, you don't need to know, or you don't need to memorize this size. Let's say I want to design a Facebook cover, but I don't know what is the proper size for the Facebook cover. You may just easily go to the Google and search Facebook cover size in pixel. That's it. So you will see the size, proper size, 820, 312 pixel. So you may easily go here in Photoshop, then you may just put the value. What was that? I think 820 and 312. Okay, then click create. As you can see, this is the proper and exact size for the Facebook cover page, like Facebook page cover design. This is the proper size. So in this way, let's see. I don't know the proper size for the Instagram post, so you may just type Instagram post size in pixel. You will see, as I already told you, 180, 180. This is a proper size. Okay. So let's see others option. Okay. This is the most important option, important things for your design. There would be two types of value. The first one would be 720, and the others one would be 300. Whenever we are going to design something for the social media, like something for the website purpose, we need to select 720. Okay, the value. Okay, the value of resolution 720. But whenever we are going to design something for the printing purpose, we need to put 300. So 720 for the website purpose or social media website purpose, and 300 resolution for printing purpose. Let's say I want to design something like I want to design a business card. So after designing the business card, it should be print. Okay. For this reason, you need to put 300 resolution. Let's say I want to design a Facebook cover page design. So for this reason, you need to put 72 resolution. Okay. So the thing is, if we design something for the website purpose, if we design something for the Facebook, Instagram, we need to put 72 value. If we design something for the printing purpose, we need to put 300 resolution. Okay, so that's it. Is there any question, guys? Any question?
No, sir, they don't have any question.
Okay, that's great. Okay, the next one is color mode. This is another important thing. If we design something for the website purpose, you need to select the RGB, red, green, blue. And if we design something for the printing purpose, you need to select CMYK. Otherwise, let's say you have designed something for the for printing purpose, then you mistakenly select this RGB color. After printing, you will see the you can't see the proper size, proper color. Okay, for this reason, you need to select the CMYK for printing purpose. And for website purpose, you need to select RGB. And 80-bit and 60-bit, just keep it 8, or you may also use 16-bit if you have like high quality computer, high configuration computer. You may select this 16-bit, but 8 is standard. Just keep it as it is. This is the background color. As you can see here, whenever I create anything new, it's the background color is white. You may change this color. And the color code, let's leave it as it is, color profile, and everything leave it as it is. Then whenever you click here, your artboard will be created. Your canvas or your artboard will be created. Let's say I want to create 2 or 3 artboard at a time. So you just need to click here, artboard. Just make sure that you have selected this artboard. Then if you click here, then there is option. Okay, as you can see, let's say you may add like lots of artboard like this, as you can see. So first of all, what you need to do, just click here and select artboard, then click here. Then you need to go the artboard tool. Then you need to whenever you click here, you will see the plus icon. You may add here this side or this side like this. Then whenever you zoom out, you will see like this. Oh, this is not the important thing. We will cover this later, but I just want to share you. That's it. Okay, let's see the next thing, which is most important thing. Okay, if you click here, you will see the thing. Okay, the next thing is, let's say I want to open something else. I want to open my old project, or I want to open my any image. So just click here. Then let's go the download. Let's open here. So in this way, you may open your image. Just go to here, then open. Then you may open. This is the simple way. And the next thing is, if you click new, then if you create any canvas, for my end, I can see this type of UI. I'm talking about the bar, like the UI, my Photoshop, how it look like. As you can see, for me, it looks something else. This is the toolbar, the main toolbar, which is most important to design anything else. On the right side, there are lots of things, as you can see here: colors, swatches, gradient, and so on. Properties, layers, adjustment, libraries, character. So from your end, maybe it would be different. Okay. So let me show you how you can set up your workspace, Photoshop workspace. Let me delete all of them. Okay, let me delete all of them. Okay, yeah. Yeah. Okay. If you want to set up your workspace, first of all, you need to just click here. Then you will see some pre-made like workspace. If you click here like this motion, it will be changed. As you can see, the UI is changed. If you click painting, as you can see, UI is changed. Then if you click essential, which is default, there is nothing else. So let's say I want to add some toolbar. Toolbar means I'm talking about this type of things. Okay, some toolbar which will be help me to create my design. So first of all, just click here, window, then workspace, then essential, which is default. So let's say I want to add layers. Just click here. As you can see, layer edit. This is a layer. Most important things for Photoshop. Then you will see library. You will see adjustment. You just need to click here. Okay, click and do not leave your mouse. Okay, just left click. Then you may just do this like this. Let's say this is too bigger, so I want to make them some like this. In this way, you may do this. In this way, let's say I want to like adjust. I want to make them group. This is now in separate. So just drag and drop. Whenever it's blinking in blue color, just left your mouse. Let's do the same thing. Let's do the same thing. Just drag and drop here. Then that's it. Drag and drop. Then that's it. Now it's now in now in one group. If you click here like this, you can easily switch this. So I want to adjust this side. So whenever it's blinking in like blue color, you just drag and drop here. That's it. Then layer, adjustment, properties, libraries, as you can see. So let's say I want to add another toolbars. Just click here. Then let's say I want to add character, which is most important. Where is character? Character, as you can see. You may drag and drop this. Then drag and drop here. Let's say I want to adjust them there. Just drag and drop this. It will be adjust here, as you can see. Let's say I want to like separate only adjustment. Just drag and drop here. Just drag and drop here. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. I want to make them in a group. Drag and drop. Drag and drop. This is the simple way. In this way, you may create your own workspace, Photoshop workspace or Photoshop works environment. Let's say I want info. You may just do this. Just drag and drop and drag and drop. Okay. Let's say I want to like separate them like this. You may easily separate them. Let's say I want to add like this. As you can see, I want to add there. You may do this. And to make this smooth, minimize like this. In this way, you may create your own Photoshop workspace. Then if you want to reset, you may reset your workspace. You may delete your workspace. You may create a new workspace according to your work. Let's say whenever you are working for the business card, you may create different workspace. Whenever you are working on flyer, whenever you are working on branding identity, you may create different workspace. This is not the important thing. Okay. So I just want to show you the process. Okay, any question, guys? Any question? Okay, that's great. Okay, let me. Okay, let's talk about the top bar. This is the top menu bar. Whenever you click file, you will see new and open. We have already discussed this. Then you may also open as, and there are lots of things. This is like close, close others, close tab. As you can see, there are 3 tabs. This is called tabs, the top bar. This is called tabs. Okay. You may close tabs. You may export something else. Okay. And there are lots of them. This is not the important one. And the edit, something is like in gray color, which is not activated because we are not started working on it. That's why there are some image mode. As I already told you, let's say you have mistakenly selected the color RGB color instead of CMYK. You can change the color, switch the color from this option. There are some things. This is not important. Whenever we're working on it, we will see these options and some options there. Okay. So I'm going to start from the toolbar. So this is the tools of Photoshop. There are lots of tools, mob tools, artboard, selection, lasso tools, and so on. So we will discuss some tools today's lesson, then we will complete this. So yeah, let's discuss from the mob tools. First of all, let's open the image. Okay, for the image purpose, I would prefer you to use Unsplash website. Unsplash. Everyone must download some image from the Unsplash this website. This is a free website. Maybe we may download some natural image. So natural. Okay, let's download this one. Just click on it, then small. Okay. Then download. Maybe we may download some flower. It's loading. Okay, maybe we may download this one. Okay. So let's go back into Photoshop. File, then open, then this one. Okay. You may also open like this, like in this way. Both are similar, like same. Okay. So as you can see, I have two images now. Let's say I want to select only this one, and I want to move this to there. So how we can do this? Let's say I want to select only this flower, okay? Not the butterfly. Okay, I want to select only this flower, and I want to move this flower to there. So in this case, we may use selection tools. If I right click on it, just right click. If I right click on it, you will see some selection tools. As you can see, rectangle tool, elliptical tool, single row, single column, and so on. So I want to select only this flower.
Can you please zoom it?
Okay. Okay, can you see? Hello?
No, not the picture, the toolbar.
Oh. Oh, I can't zoom this one. There is no way to zoom.
Well, sir, they
Okay.
can zoom their screen, their phone screen. They can zoom it. I
I'm
can see.
zooming.
Sorry. You may zoom your screen from the if you are watching from your mobile, you may zoom your screen. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Thanks. Okay. So as you can see, there are some tools. So let's say I want to select only this flower. Okay, just click, I'm just taking the rectangle tool, or maybe I can take the elliptical mercury tool. Then this is the flower. Okay. So I want to move this flower from this step. I want to move only this flower from this step to this step. This is called tabs, as I already told you, like as Chrome. Okay, Chrome browser. So how may I do this? I have selected this one. Now it's time to move. Let me do it again. Okay. So for this purpose, you need to switch this these tools from the elliptical tools to these tools. As you can see, just focus here. Now it's activated. Like this color is different from the others one. That means I'm now in these tools. So if I click here, that means I'm now in these move tools. Okay, then you can easily just press your left side of your mouse. Okay, then drag and drop, then done. Boom, it's done. Then as you can see, this is I can't see the flower, so for this reason I need to zoom my canvas. How can I do this? There is a tool. This is the tools. This is as you can see now, it's now in plus. As you can see, it's now in plus. If I click here, it will be zoom. If I click here, it will be zoom, zoom, and zoom. Let's say I want to minus the zoom. Like as you can see now, it's minus. Whenever you click on Alt, like Alt key. So let me show you. I hope everyone know about the Alt key. So keyboard key images. Okay. Whenever I press Alt key, it will be minus. You will see minus. So it will be minus the zoom area. Whenever I press on Shift key, it will be plus the area. Let me show you. As you can see now, it's plus. That means it will be zoom more and more. So if I press Alt, it will be minus. Like it will be zoom out your canvas, zoom out your. As you can see, zoom out. If I click Shift, it will be zoom in your canvas. Okay. And the another way is if you press Alt and if you scroll up and scroll down from your mouse, it will be zoom and zoom out your canvas. Everyone understand these things because it's important for every task. Okay. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. So zoom in and zoom out. For now, I'm using my scroll bar. So it saves my time. That's why. Okay. So let's say I want to increase the size. So the thing is, from my end, I see this area. As you can see, this is called the transform controls. Maybe from your end, it will be not appear. So what you need to do, you need to just click here on the top side. Make sure that you have selected this option, show transform controls. If you select this option, if you deselect this option, as you can see, I can't see the transform controls. So make sure that you have selected this one. Then you may increase the size, as you can see. The another thing is, if I increase only from one point, as you can see, there are almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points. Okay. So if I like scale up from this point, it looks like weird. This is not look the proper one. As you can see, this is not looking good. So if you want to expand your image gradually, like from the every side, you need to press Shift and Alter. I'm pressing Shift and Alter, then you may increase this side. As you can see, now it's like increasing gradually from left, right, top, and bottom. You need to press Shift and Alt at a time. I'm pressing Shift and Alt. If you want to expand your image gradually from the all side, you need to press Shift and Alt at a time. So you can easily expand this like this. Otherwise, if you only if you only increase from one point, this is not looking good. As you can see, this is not looking good. So whenever you are increasing from the whenever you are increasing size of pressing Shift and Alt, it will be looks good. Okay, so undo and redo. I hope everyone know undo and redo. Let's say I want to redo this one. So you just need to edit, then undo, then edit, redo. Like Control Z for the shortcut from Control Z. And Control Y. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Let me drag and drop again. Okay. So in this way, you may undo and redo your things from the edit option. Undo and redo. Okay. So this is the thing. So there is another quick way to move any object from your image. Let's say I want to move Control D. I want to move only this butterfly. So I just need to select this area. Then I need to press Control C. Control C. I hope everyone know about Control C and Control V. Just click Control C. Then go to here. Make sure that you are now in Move Tools. Then Control V. V for van. Okay. Control V. Then you can easily drag and drop. Okay. In this way you can do this. This is the shortcut way. Okay, the problem is okay, for the butterfly, the problem is I want to like select only the butterfly area. Let's see, I want to select only this area, only this area. I don't need this extra area, how may I do this? You can easily do this. There is another selection tools. This is called object selection tools. Or let's first of all let's do it in lasso tools, then we may see the object selection tools. As you can see, okay, let me zoom in my canvas. Okay, zoom in. Okay, okay. So I want to select only my butterfly. So in this way, as you can see, I'm doing roughly. Okay, you may take your time. I'm just doing roughly. Then selecting. Then this. Your starting and ending point should be same. Otherwise, you can't like end the selection. As you can see, my starting and ending point both are same. Now it's selected. Okay. Now it's selected. So what I need to do, I have to go Move Tools, then drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay. So you may use like lasso tools to select an object. Let's change the image. Let's take a pen or some. I think I have this one. And always try to change your image. Okay, do not work long time in one image. Okay, it's boring. So let's say for this reason, as you can see, if you do this properly, it will take lots of time. So in this case, there is another selection tools. This is called object selection tools. For this image, this is an object, right? Where is my screenshot tool? Okay. For this image, this is an object. So I just need to select only this object and drag and drop to another tools. How may I do this? There is another, as you can just right click on it, you will see object selection tools. Just select your object. It's magic, as you can see. This is a magic. Okay. It just selected automatically. Then you just need to go Move Tools. Then you just need to drag and drop here. As you can see, this is a bigger size. Okay, I just need to press Shift and Alt at a time to maintain my flower size gradually. As you can see, this is nice tools. Okay, which one? This one, object selection tools. Let's select another object. Let's download another image because it's free. We don't need to export. We don't need to use our money. So this is free. So let's take another image. It would be pen. Okay, let's select this pen, download. Okay, then you may also drag and drop like this. If you are expert in computer, you may drag and drop this like this. What is happening? Okay. Okay, let me close other steps. Let me close this one. Let's go. Let's drag and drop this to there. Okay. Let's say I want to select only the pen. Make sure that you are now in object selection tools. Then select your object, select this. Then the problem is, as you can see, there is some shadow. Oh, so how may I do this? Just click here. So I want to delete this part. How may I do this? So first of all, we have lasso tools, as you can see. Let's say I want to deselect this area. I want to deselect this area, right? So how may I do this? We have selection tools, lasso tools. Whenever you press Alt, you will see whenever I press Alt, now it's minus, as you can see. Whenever I press Shift, now it's plus. If I drag and drop like this, it will be added the selection area. I'm pressing Shift. Remember that I'm pressing Shift. I'm pressing Shift. I'm pressing Shift. It will be added the area. I don't need to add the area. I want to delete the selection area. In this case, you need to press Alt. If I press Alt, it will be deselected the area. If I press Alt, it will be deselected the area. If I press Alt, it will be deselected area. So let's say you are not satisfied with these tools. You may also do the same thing. Just change your tool into rectangle. Then I want to deselect the area. I'm pressing Alt. So it will be deselected the area. I'm pressing Alt. It will be deselect the area. Okay. Then if you are thinking that this is quite hard, you may just change here. Just click here. It's plus. Now it will be added the area. Just click here. It's minus. Now it will be delete the area. Okay. So I'm always using the shortcut way. I'm using Alt. I want to use this. So for this size, maybe lasso tool would be better. I want to delete this area, so I need to press Alt. Then like this, it will be deselect the area. Okay, I want to deselect this area as well. I'm pressing Alt. It will be deselect the area. It will be deselect the area. And now we can just really go to move tools, then drag and drop. Drag and drop. As you can see, this is too big. So I need to press Shift and Alt at a time. Then I can deselect the area. I can just resize the image. That's it. Okay, everyone understand? Is there any question, guys? Any question?
No, sir, thanks.
Okay.
Sir, one student have a question.
Okay. Please ask me.
Okay, I don't know his name. Bilal. You can ask your question. کولای شي خپل سوالونه وپوښتي.
Hi, teacher Arif. Excuse me, the keyboard will help in Photoshop. What the help?
So keyboard means I'm talking about shortcut key. Okay. If you are using shortcut key, shortcut command, it will save your time. That's it. But if you think that this is quite hard, you may use like in general way. Like you may use plus and minus like this. So if you are using keyboard key, it would be save your time. That's it. This is the helpful things. That's it. Do you understand? Okay.
Sir,
Yeah.
Yes, thank
do we need an account in Photoshop?
No, I have already shared a Photoshop guideline video in Telegram. You may watch the video, then you may download the Photoshop. Okay. Maybe you may download from the Get Into
Okay.
PC. Do not download from the official website. If you download from the official website, you need to create account. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you download your photo, okay, how should I know that I have properly download the Photoshop on my PC? I mean, how should I check? Okay, you will see your downloading process. Okay, if you are using Microsoft Edge, or if you are using Google Chrome, you just need to go your download option. Okay, then you will see the process. Let's say if I download the image, you will see the process, download process. If I click this, you will see, as you can see. I've only download this one. Let me download a new one. Okay, as you can see, this is the download process. Whenever it's complete, it will be like indicate me this download is completed. So whenever you have successfully download the Photoshop, maybe you will see a zip file. Okay, office work all, then Adobe. Okay, maybe you will see something like this. Let me make it zip. Add to archive. Okay. Okay, whenever you have download the Photoshop file, you will see something like this. Then you need to extract it. Okay, you need to click here, extract here. Okay. Once you extract, you will see this type of file. Okay, whenever you are extracting, if you download Photoshop from the get into PC, the password is 123. Okay, or the password would be igetintopc.com. There would be two types of password. The first one would be 123, and the next, if it's not work, you may try igetintopc.com. If you are downloading Photoshop from the Get Into PC website, then whenever you extract these things, you will see the setup things. Just you need to click the setup, then you need to just give the permission, then you can start. I have already downloaded setup Photoshop. That's why I'm not doing the things. No, quite. Okay. You will see like something like this. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. Hope you are fine and doing well. Well, first of all, thank you so much for being here for Afghan students and teaching them and explaining everything very well. I just want to share some points in Pashto and Dari with them. So if you don't mind, I will take 2 to 3 minutes of your.
Yeah, sure. Please do this.
Okay, thank you so much. ټول خویندو ورونو ته سلامونه او نیکې هیلې. خدای دې وکړي چې ټول به روغ جوړ یاست. د فوټوشاپ اړوند زیاتره کسان پوښتنې لري چې تاسو څه رقم کولی سئ فوټوشاپ ډاونلوډ کړئ یا په کم ډیجیټل ډیوایسز کې تاسو د دې څخه استفاده کولی سئ. نو د دې دپاره زموږ د ټولو جواب چې دی فوټوشاپ یوازې په کمپیوټر کې کارول کیږي، د موبایل دپاره نسته. اول ما داریم صحبت میکنم. اول در پشتو همه گپا خلاص میکنم، دوباره میایم به داری انشالله. په فوټوشاپ په کمپیوټر کې ډاونلوډوي. که چیرې تاسو وغواړئ چې اوریجنل فایل ډاونلوډ کړئ خپل موبایل خپل کمپیوټر ته، د هغه دپاره باید تاسې د 100 څخه تر $1.5 پورې پرچیز وکړئ په ویب سایټ کې. نو ځکه موږ کراک ورژنز کاروو. د کراک ورژن څخه مې مطلب دغه ایراني سیډیانې دي چې په افغانستان کې موږ پیدا کولی سو. هغه که په کابل کې، که په کندهار کې، که په هر ولایت کې، هر دکان ته چې ورسئ د فوټوشاپ سی ډي پیدا کولی سئ. کوشش وکړئ خپل د کمپیوټر مطابق د فوټوشاپ سی ډي واخلئ، او که چیرې وایاست چې یا ډاونلوډوئ یې، که په کور کې وای فای لرئ یا انټرنیټ مو زیات یې، نو بیا کولی سئ د سافټ ډاټ 98 د دې ویب سایټ څخه دا هم یو ایراني ویب سایټ دی، یوازې فوټوشاپ نه بلکې هر څه چې دی هغه تاسو یعنې د کمپیوټر سافټویرونه چې دی هغه تاسو کولی سئ چې ډاونلوډ کړئ. نو له دې څخه استفاده کولی سئ. زه بیا ستاسو سره شریک کړم. په دې باندې هم دا خبرې کومه فوټوشاپ یا اډوبی فوتوشاپ و اډوبی ایلستریتر در موبایل استفاده نمی شود، فقط در کامپیوتر قابل دسترس خواهد بود. شما می توانید که را از یک وبسایت ایرانی می توانید که دانلود کنید. soft.98 یا 98 نام داره. شما می توانید از این دانلود کنید. کرک ورژنش است، چون اگر شما می خواهید که اوریجینالش استفاده کنید از 1.5 تا $1.5 باید پرچیز کنید. از همین خاطر ما باید در اول از کرک ورژنش استفاده کنیم. یا می توانید در بازار در سی دی را پیدا کنید که به 50 افغانی یا 35 افغانی پیدا میشه. شما می توانید او را به کامپیوتر خود اینستال کنید و از اډوبی فوتوشاپ و اډوبی ایلستریتر استفاده نمایید. ما براتون پیشم گفته بودم همگی باید فتوشاپ در داخل کامپیوتر خود داشته باشد و وقتی که اساتید تدریس میکند یا خب باید کامپیوتر هم رایتان باشد و اگر کامپیوتر که تان نباشد قلم و کتابچه خب باید حتمی داشته باشید تا بتوانید نوت صحیح بگیرید و عملیش هم اجرا کنید. پس دوباره میگم در می هفته باید همگی فتوشاپ باید کامپیوتر خود داشته باشید، چون اگر در سال زیاد تیر می شود سرتان کارخانگی هم زیاد می شود، پروژه هم شاید باشه و بوج درس هم زیاد باشه، فشار درسی هم باشه. خیلی کوشش کنید که در این هفته کلیتان CD و یا هم کرک ورژن در وبسایت ها پیدا کنید و بر خودتان دانلود کنید. طول باید به ده هفته که فتوشاپ ولری په کمپیوټرانو کې ټوله یا سیډیانې واخلي یا د ویب سایټونو څخه کرک ورژن پیدا کړئ. اوریجنل اوس فعلا نسو کارولای ځکه چې زموږ هغه د زده کړې وختونه دي او که چیرې وغواړو چې د زده کړې په وخت کې موږ پرچیز وکړو، که چیرې څوک وس او توان ولري 100 الی $1.5 پورې یا سیډي اخیستلی سي یا د هغه اصلي اوریجنل ویب سایټ څخه یې ډاونلوډولی سي، خو مشکل نسته. هغه زموږ د پښتنو په اصطلاح نور علا نور. او که چیرې نه لري نو دا کولی سي چې د 15 الا 50 افغانۍ پورې قیمت دی د دې سیډیانو، هغه ځان ته واخلي، خپل د کمپیوټر مطابق هغه کمپیوټر ته داخل کړئ او وکولای سي چې خپل درسونه او خپل کار مخته یوسي. Thank you, dear teacher. My speech is over, so you can continue. Anyone هر څوک چې سوال لري مهرباني سوال او پوښتنه کولای سي.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
I've got a question, sir.
Yes, please
You hear
ask
me?
your question.
Yeah. I can hear you.
Sir, you have used different selection tool.
Mhm.
Now, if a girl has a curly hair and we want to select the hair accurately, so which is the best selection tool you recommend to us?
Okay, that's good. This is a nice question, an important question for all of them. From my opinion, I think the object selection tool would be best because it will save your time. You can easily select object selection tools would be best, but I prefer to everyone that everyone should use at least for one time every year like tools so that you can understand which would be comfortable for your end. But I prefer you to use object selection tools. That's it. Do you understand?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Okay, there are lots of questions. Teacher, how we are being 2 or 3 pictures? Okay, that's good. And sir, actually this is my question too, how we can switch different pictures. I did not get it. Which version should it be? Okay, I'm using 2021 version Photoshop. And yeah. Okay, let me show you how we can bring 2 images at a time. So for this region, let me first of all close all of them. Okay, close all of them. Okay. So let's open this. So this is a image. Let me go open my downloads. Yeah. View larger size. Okay. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 image. So let's say I want to image this image and this image in one canvas or in one artboard. How may I do this? So first of all, I have to open this. Okay, let me do it. Just click open, then downloads, then that's open. So I want to open another image in the same artboard. So in this case, you need to go file, then place embedded. This option, place embedded. Then you may just drag and drop this like this. As you can see, now we have 2 images in one artboard. Do you understand, Usra Hashimi? Do you understand? Do you understand? Are you there, Usra Hashimi? Okay, how you can move object from one picture to another picture. Okay, I used the move tools. Let me recap this again. As you can see, there are the first tool, this is called move tools, and the second one, this is called selection tools. Okay, so let me open a new artboard like this. Let's say I want to move only this one, like only this pen. So I just go here, select. First of all, I have to go selection tools. Then I have to select this one. Whenever I have completely selected the area, then I need to go move tools. Okay. Then drag and drop. Drag and drop. Sorry. Control T. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then just happening. Okay, there are two images. I think this is the reason. Okay. Okay. So let's say I want to move only this tree, this area. Then I have selected this area. Then I have drag and drop like this. You just need to just drag and drop this one, or the another way is just copy and paste. Okay. Just you need to select the area. Select the area. Then you may use Control C, or you may use edit, then copy, then go here, then edit, then paste. This is another way to move one object to another object. Can we change the color of the selection tools? No, we can't change the color of the selection tools. This is the default one. Okay. This is the default one. We can't change the color like this. Okay. What about next? Everyone please ask question in English. I don't understand the Persian one. That's why. Okay, that's good. Any question, guys? You may ask in chat in English, please. Okay, thanks. Okay.
Sir, we have got a student. He raised his hand.
Sorry? I don't understand.
Sir, I think Kasim has a question. He raised his hand.
Oh, yeah. Please unmute yourself, Kasim.
Sir, I have got one suggestion.
Yeah.
Sir, if you could tell us about the fundamental of graphic design, like what is contrast, balance, typography, and so on. So it would be better. So because we are learning Photoshop and it is related to graphic design. So as a graphic designer, we should know about the contrast, balance, typography, and so on. Also the fundamental of graphic design.
Yeah, I will discuss later. This is our first class, okay? So I'm start from the basic way, okay? Step by step, I will discuss the color balance,
Okay, sir.
the things, and all of these things.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, and thank you for your advice. Okay, so this is the things. Okay. So let's see the quick selection tools, then magic wand tool, then we'll just close our today's session. Okay, for the quick selection tools, let me close this one. Let me open this. Whenever you click here, right click on it, then you will see the quick selection option. Then if you press Alt, it will be plus the area. If you press minus, if you press Alt, it will be minus the area. If you press Shift, it will be plus your selected area. So in this way, you may also select your object. Then if you want to increase and decrease the size, you may press curly braces. I'm pressing this one. This one. If you press this one, it will be like the selection would be more bigger. If you press this one, this will be like smaller. So as you can see, I'm pressing this. This is smaller and this is a bigger size. So in this way, you may scroll, like make your selection brush bigger and smaller. So I'm pressing this, okay, and like this, then I can easily drag and drop. I'm now in move tools, drag and drop. Let me do this same way. I'm now in quick selection tools. I want to select this area, as you can see. Actually, selection depends on the object. Let's say whenever I use the let me make. If you want to deselect the area, just press Ctrl D. Okay. Let's say whenever I use the object selection tools, I face lots of issue like this issue. But whenever I used like quick selection tools, I can easily select the area. Control D for deselect. As you can see, I can easily select the area. So selection sometimes depends on your object. Okay. As you can see, the proper example. Whenever I use object selection, this is quite like tough. But whenever I use quick selection tools, it can easily select the pen. Then drag and drop. Drag and drop. That's it. And the last one is Magic Wand tools. Magic Wand tools, it's working on like in color. Like, let me delete this one. Let's say I want to delete only this like blue color area. So in this case, you may use the Magic Wand tool. If I click here, it will be delete. It will be select only blue color area. Then move tools, then drag and drop. Now, so let's say I want to select only this color, yellow color area. So it will only select the yellow color area, as you can see. And if you want to plus the selection, just press shift, it will be added to your area like this. Then move tools, then drag and drop. Drag and drop, drag and drop like this. So for this pen, if I use Magic Wand tool, it will be select only black color area, not this one. I want to select this there. Control D for deselect. If I click here, it will be select only black color area. If I select this white, it will be select only white area. So Magic Words wants to like select only the same color area. This is the things. That means this. Okay, like this. So in this lesson, we have covered some tools. The homework would be everyone just download image, objects image from Unsplash. Okay. Then everyone just move your object one tab to another tab, then submit in our Telegram group. That's it. This is the homework for everyone. And if you are not doing the homework, I will not continue the course. Just do your homework. Is there any question, guys? Homework related? Any question?
Teacher?
Yeah.
I had a question.
Yeah.
If we stuck with the problem while practicing our today's lesson, so are you able to answer our questions in the group?
Yeah, sure. Just mention me. Okay, and I will also upload the video in my YouTube channel. You may also like watch video, then you may also get help.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, is there any question, guys? Yeah, ask me. Yeah, sure. One by one.
Hello, sir. How are you, sir? Some students wants to show the icon of Photoshop Adobe, and they are not find the Photoshop application.
Okay, well,
if you share the link of Photoshop Adobe or show the icons, it's good.
Walaikum salam, alhamdulillah, I'm fine. So I have already shared the video how to download the Photoshop in Telegram group. Just go to the Telegram group and watch my video so you can easily download Adobe Photoshop.
Okay.
That's it. Who is next?
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Sorry, I can hear you clearly.
لو جانا كمان بالأمتار صحبات کنیم.
I'm so sorry, I don't understand Persian. You may speak in English. Yeah. Now I have your sound. I can hear you.
Okay. Hello to everyone. I hope that all of you will fine, especially my teacher. I have just some suggestion to my teacher. At first, we are Afghan and we are not very professional to speaking English. If you speak a little slowly and name the options and the toolbars options, name a little them and their word with their shortcuts. It will be better that during the lessons we can write them and take the short notes. And after that, I have a question that if we use your YouTube channel, does it have the underline that we take it and we note it or not?
Okay, first of all, thank you for your advice. But the last question I do not understand. I think this is a network issue. Maybe you are talking about my YouTube channel, like you will watch my YouTube channel later, something like this. I don't understand.
اوكي
I think
تشكر. And ما میخوام یک مسئله را جناب بنو مسئله هم هستند بیان کنم که ببینین ما قبلا هم در مورد تایم صحبت کردیم که تایم درستی ما در تایم های 7 تا 8 و 8 تا 9 دیگه هم تایم های درستی داریم. اولی که اگر تایم ست میشه 7 تا 8 که ست میشه اما مشخصا باشه 20 دقیقه از در گذشته ما واقعا از صنف درسی دیگه غیر حاضر شدیم و اگر یک تایم باشه که اما 9 تا 10 هر شب باشه و ما خیلی راحت میشه.
سایلا جان ما
تقریبا 21 دقیقه از 8 گذشته. ما میدونین افغانستان از مشکلات خانواده داره، مهمان مانداری است، درس های دیگه ما است. وقت بر ما سخت میشه تا در این تایم یک شب 7 بده، یک شب 8 بده، یک شب 9 بده. بر ما
سهیلا جان ببخشید بر من اجازه بدین که درباره تایم برتان بگویم. اگر من تایم 7 تا 8 گفتم شماها گفتین که ما در این تایم مشکل داریم. 8 تا 9 گرفتم شاگردای صنف الیمنتری و پروژکت منیجمنت بر من شخصی پیام گذاشتن که ما امروز این تایم مشکل داریم. اگر 9 تا 10 گرفتم شاگردای صنف تافل بر من مسیج کرد که من صنف تافل دارم و همچنان بعض صنف ترکی ما در این تایم. خب اگر شما از اول مثلا بعضی شاگردای را ما داریم که حتی بیشتر از افسم داخله گرفتن، باید ما به مشکلات یکدیگر خود یعنی وقت بتیم، زمان بتیم، ببینیم که چگونه میشه. مثلا استاد امشب امی تایمشان فری تایم بود، 7 تا 8 ما تایم گرفتیم. خب درستان امروز مثلا فوتوشاپ بود بیشتر دوام کرد. خیر به استاد خدا که برتون بیشتر تدریس کرد. یعنی اگر ما هم استاد خود درک کنیم و ببینیم استادای دیگر خوبتر میشه. اما این تایم هایی که مثلا من در گروپ هم روز اول ما در گروپ شیر کردم، جلسه ما همراه شما شیر ساختم، تایم مکمل شیر ساختم، گفتم تقسیم اوقاتتان 20 دقیقه بعد اپلود میشه. میتونستین که در اون قسمت بر ما بگوین که ما در تایم مشکل دارم. تایم 8 تا 9 را گفتم الیمنتری و پروژکت منیجمنت و صنف بگنر مشکل دارن. 9 تا تافل و ترکی مشکل داره. 7 تا 8 خود شما شاگردای عزیز مشکل دارین. پس لطفاً همتون دست جمعی یک جای شوین، یک تایم انتخاب کنین که هیچ کدامتون در اون مشکل نداشته باشین که نه ما به زحمت چم زیادتر که ازی که هر روز تقسیم اوقات ایدت کنم و نه شما مثلا خسته شوین ازی که بگوین ما در این تایم مشکل داریم. ما یک پول میگذارم از شنبه تا پنج شنبه تایم نوشته میکنم. هر کدامتان به هر تایمش که راضی بودین بر ما مسیج کنین یا گروپ واتساپ باز میسازم، همه تان تایم هایتان ذکر کنین. درست است؟ خب بازم تشکر استاد محترم. وقت میتونم که جلسه شان نگیرم، بازم بنصرت میخوایم. sorry sir.
Okay, maybe someone have question. Who is this? Please ask your question in English, please. Yeah, sure. Please unmute yourself. Guys, please.
Hello, teacher. How are you? My question is about your record from your lesson, teacher, because of you don't have good internet in Afghanistan. Can you record this lesson and also you send in our group?
Walaikum salam. Yeah, I have already recorded the lesson. I will share on my YouTube channel. I have shared a link in chat. Just go to my YouTube channel, follow my YouTube channel, then you will get the recorded lesson. Okay. So is there any question, guys? Yeah, sure. Unmute yourself and ask me. Yeah, I will discuss the assignment.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. I hope you be fine and healthy. So first of all, I should introduce myself. I'm Nazran Nuri, one of the general heads of the desk of Afghanistan Open University. I'm glad to have you, sir, here, and thank you so much from your responsibility, your support from the Afghan young generations, especially in our girls, which they can't go to them university and schools or educational centers to learn something. So thank you so much. And one question which one of the students asked, can you share some list of some common shortcuts in Photoshop and group or here with our assistants? Sir.
Walaikum salam. Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. Yeah, I will share the shortcut list image in Telegram group.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Good time.
Okay, guys, any question? Okay. I think, okay, let me recap the assignment. So classwork is, so everyone, please listen this. Everyone, the assignment would be, everyone, let's go to the website, Unsplash website, this website I will share on group. Then download some image, like it would be pen image, it would be natural image, flower image, okay, flower, pen, and just as your wish. Then just open your open image on your Photoshop, okay, then create a new artboard, okay, then drag and drop the object as I already told you the process. So let's say for this image the pen is an object. Just drag and drop this object to this artboard. You may resize this like this. This is in one object. Let's say I have downloaded let's say this, for this image butterfly is an object. So just drag and drop, select butterfly, then drag and drop. In this way you may download lots of image from the Unsplash website. Then you may like create something like this. Then you need to share this image in our group and make sure that you have mentioned myself, okay, in group, so I can see this. Otherwise I can't see because I'm always busy in another work. Make sure that you have mentioned me. This is the homework. Everyone understand? Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, guys. Okay, is there any